Your nervous system is running your life more than you think. The good news, you can learn to regulate it and change how you feel every single day. Hi, I'm Priyanka. I am a yoga and meditation teacher based in Ontario, Canada. And I work with people who want one simple thing, to feel better in their body and mind. My work focuses on nervous system regulation, calming stress responses, and helping you move out of that constant overthinking, overdoing, or overwhelm state and back into balance. I teach yoga, breathwork, and guided meditations in a way that is simple, accessible, and deeply grounding. Nothing complicated, nothing performative. Just practices that actually help you feel more steady, clear, and present in your everyday life. In my sessions, we work with the breath, gentle movement, and awareness techniques that support your nervous system to downshift from fight or flight into rest, recovery, and real ease. So over time, you don't just relax in class. You start to carry that regulation into your life. I work with all levels, from complete beginners to people deepening an existing practice. Whether you're dealing with stress, burnout, emotional heaviness, or just feeling disconnected from yourself, the goal is the same: to bring you back home to your body. What makes my teaching different is that it's not about perfect poses or performance. It's about how you feel from the inside out. So if you're looking for a practice that actually helps you slow down, reset your nervous system, and feel more like yourself again, I'd love to work with you. Feel free to reach out, and I look forward to connecting with you. Have a wonderful week, weekend, day, month, and year. Namaste.